When the headline screams shut down and setback, this is the very moment that separate those who wait and those who act. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. And thank you to all of my new subscribers. Today, we're gonna talk about 4 remote jobs that you can use to get your goals back on track if you are suffering from the government shutdown, or if you are just realizing, yes, there are 90 days left in the year and I'm gonna make October, November, and December really, really worth it. So right now, the government shutdown might have some of you worried, but here is the truth. Remote jobs are wide open. And I'm gonna go through 4 companies that have remote jobs so that you can apply for them if you are sitting out of work because of the shutdown, or if the shutdown has affected your business or your job in any way, so that we can get back on track to meet our goals by December 31st. So I talk about a lot of side hustles on this channel: virtual assistant jobs, customer service jobs, all of these remote jobs that you could do to help push yourself forward. These aren't just side gigs to some people. These are doors that can let you move yourself forward while everything else seems to be paused. So today, let's get into 4 side hustles that you can do during the shutdown or just for the remainder of the year to get yourself a little bump in your income. Let's go. So here's the math. We still got October, November, and December to hit our goals. It's 90 days to build momentum, to stack up wins, and to build the life that you said that you wanted back in January. You know, the life that you put on your vision board or in your goals or wherever you wrote it down. So now we have 3 months to get all of that done if you haven't been building that already. Most people wait until January 1st to start fresh, to start their goals, but that is the wrong idea, because research shows that people who start their resolutions on January 1 usually abandon them by January 7th. But if we use October as our first month of the year, so to speak, this means we have 3 months of built up habits to achieve our goals, so that by January 1st, it's not something you're starting brand new, but it's something that you've been doing for a whole quarter of a year. So let's get into these jobs, because I know that's what you're here for, and let's make the last 90 days of this year really count. Job number 1. So number 1 is United Health Group, and they have open right now customer service rep jobs. What you're going to be doing is answering insurance questions either by chat or by phone. They need full-time 8 hours, and they also train virtually. So go to their website. I have left the link down in the description. Go to their website and apply for those jobs now. The next company is Capital One. Capital One has jobs in business, engineering, and operations. So go to Capital One's website, type in remote, and then you can get a list of their current jobs. Number 3 is Amazon. We all know Amazon. They have a lot of remote jobs. They have customer service jobs, tech jobs, they have product jobs, and then corporate roles available on Amazon.com right now. If you go to Amazon jobs or Amazon careers and then type in remote, you'll get a list of their remote jobs. Disney has remote jobs right now also. They have a lot of engineering jobs and a lot of operations jobs and a few customer service jobs. So check out Disney remote. You can type in Disney tech careers and then get to that part of the website, or you can go to Disney.com, scroll to the bottom, and go to careers. So don't wait. Don't let the shutdown or the headlines or the calendar fool you. You still have time to make 2025 a really good year before we lead into 2026. We still have 3 months of this year to make a lot of things happen. There's 3 months left in the year. That is enough time to change your life. Don't wait till January. Your goals are not on shutdown.